Hello, today's Meenakshi Sinha is here from Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sinha. जब मेडिकल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, क्वेश्चन लैटिस तो 4 मार्क्स के होते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, सभी के लिए है. क्वेश्चन इस तरह से है, देखिए आपको करने में मजा आएगा. दैट इज वेरी कंस्ट्रक्टिव है. ए रेक्टेंगल इज हियर. एक रेक्टेंगल है. इसका एक डायगोनल है. ए बी सी डी is a rectangle and AB is the diagonal. A square is drawn inside the ABC rectangle. ABC rectangle में स्क्वायर बनाया गया है. इस तरह से बनाया गया है. This and this. फिगर पे ना जाए इस तरह से. This is square. This is the square. E F G H. This length is 5. This is 3. And this is 2. E F G H is the square. Is a square. एक स्क्वायर है. Square with side A. It means area A square is the area. ये हमें निकालना है. Area is equal to what? Area of the square. It means we are given this. This is equal to A. We are given क्या दे रखा है? Side of the square is A. It means EF, ये भी A हो गया. This is also A हो गया. This is also A हो गया. This is also A. And this is also A. Okay? Correct. EF is equal to A. DA is equal to A. And CB is equal to A. Area निकालना है. This portion. Area is to be determined. It means this portion. E, F, G, H. How? कैसे निकालें? स्टार्ट करते हैं. स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. देखिए, डोंट वरी अबाउट द फिगर. फिगर मे बी रॉन्ग. देखने में इट शुड बी लुकिंग वेरी रॉन्ग, बट इट इज. द क्वेश्चन इज हियर. दिस इज इक्वल टू A. This is equal to A. This is equal to A. All the sides are A. अच्छा, एरिया निकाल. एरिया के लिए इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड A स्क्वायर, क्योंकि A इज द साइड ऑफ द एरिया. A कैसे निकालें? लेट टेक द ट्राइंगल A B D. A B D. And this is the right angle triangle. Let's suppose this is alpha. Okay. Now please draw this line from here. This will also be of A. Correct? Because it is the base equal to this. Okay. Let us suppose the name of this triangle, this. Let us suppose this P रेड से लिख देते हैं, दिखाई देगा. Who is the red one? This is P, point Q, point R. In triangle ABC and PQR. This is 90, ये 90 degree है, ये भी 90 होगा. Because they have dropped this is 90 होगा. This is alpha, it means this will be also alpha. This angle will be equal to alpha. This was 5 centimeter. Okay. It means this is 90, this is 90, this is alpha, and hence this angle automatically be equal to this. वैसे भी है. This is एक line है, this is a line, and these two lines are parallel. This is diagonal, so that this angle will. It means that angle ABD just equivalent to triangle PQR in all sense, angle by angle. It means the ratio of the base upon base will be equal to ratio of perpendicular upon perpendicular will be equal to the ratio of hypotenuse upon hypotenuse. They are angle similarity. They are having in angle similarity. सभी कोण बराबर है. ओके. अब कंपेयर करते हैं. बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस. Suppose this whole AB is equal to total B. Let AB is equal to total length of the rectangle. यहाँ से this is B. So in triangle ABD, base upon hypo. Base is equal to B upon hypo is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 3. पहले बेस लिखते हैं. AB upon DB. This will be equal to base upon hypo of this triangle PQR. Base is equal to PQ upon hypo is equal to QR. अब इसकी वैल्यूज रखिए आप. बेस AB is we are having equal to B. Let's suppose हमें माना हुआ है. And upon hypo is equal to DB. DB is equal to DR plus RQ plus RB, which is 2 plus 5 plus 3 already given to us in initially. Just in starting we are given. So it means it will be 2 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to A upon base AB. PQ. PQ upon base. PQ is equal to base upon hypotenuse is equal to QR is equal to 5. Okay. It means from here A is equal to B is equal to A into 10 by 5, that is 2A. A is equal to 2A. A total length was B is equal to 2A. B is equal to 2A. Okay, बिल्कुल सही. B is equal to 2A. B is equal to 2A. ये आप नोट कर लीजिए. This is to be noted. Now apply Pythagoras on triangle बिवला ABD. ABD बड़े वाले पर. DB square, this will be equal to A square, this will equal to DA square plus AB square. It means DA is equal to what? A square plus B square. But B is equal to 2A. And DB is equal to what? DB is equal to 10. It means 100. It means 100 is equal to A square plus 4A square. It means 5A square is equal to 100. Or we can say A square is equal to 20. Which is what? Which is nothing but the area of the square. This is the area of the square which is to be determined. Is equal to answer. It means A square, which is the area of the shaded portion, is equal to 20 cm square. Proof. Answer, not proof. Okay. आपने B को मान लिया, B को A टर्म्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया और उसको फिर उसके अंदर पाइथागोरस लगा ली, तो A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर, A स्क्वायर की वैल्यू आ गई. सबसे पहले रेशियो इसकी बड़े वाले ट्रायंगल को, दिस बिगर ट्रायंगल इज जस्ट इक्विवेलेंट टू द स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल. इसमें इसका हाइपोटेनस दिया है, इसका भी हाइपोटेनस दिया है, बड़े का भी हाइपोटेनस है, छोटे का भी हाइपोटेनस है. इसको बेस को B माना है, तो B अपॉन हाइपोटेनस is equal to A upon hypotenuse. Relation between A and B, and A and B. Other than that relation, we are also having the relation as per the Pythagoras between A and B, that square of the square plus square of the B square is equal to hypotenuse square, which is 10. 100 square is equal to A square plus B square. Then B become equal to 2A, and then from there we can obtain the value of A square. A square is the area of this square. EFGH. This is the answer. Okay. समझ में आ गया होगा, आशा यही करती हूँ. मैंने कोशिश पूरी की है, समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का आइकॉन का बटन जरूर दबाएं. थैंक यू. सी यू. गुड नाइट.